All right, guys, you're welcome to question 45, and we're still solving problems on differentiation yet. So, question 45, it says if y is equal to x sine x, find the y dx. So, in other words, we want to differentiate y with respect to x. So, we can see clearly that y is expressed as a product of two functions, which is the x and the sine x. That implies that we are going to make use of the product rule, right? And if you still remember the product rule, it's very, very easy to utilize. So here I'll assume my x is the u and my sine x is the v. So differentiating y with respect to x is simply you hold your x, which is your u, and you differentiate the v, which is sine x. When you differentiate sine x, you get cosine x, which is cos x. Then plus, now you want to hold the v, which is the sine x. And now you differentiate the u, which is x. When you differentiate x with respect to x, you just get 1. And you don't need to write the 1. So this is the final answer, x cos x plus sine x. And that is option A. So that's the answer to this problem. Thank you very much for watching. If you find value, make sure you subscribe and share to other learners. And I wish you all the best in your exam preparation. Bye, and God bless.